PCB Turnover Machine 180 Flip for double-sided SMT production. Optimize your SMT production line with our PCB turnover machine. Designed to seamlessly flip PCBs from side A to side B 180 rotation. This unit ensures smooth, continuous workflow for double-sided assembly processes. Key features: 180 precision flipping, fast and stable turnover without damaging components. Max PCB width, 460 mm, accommodates a wide range of board sizes. SMEMA-compatible standard communication protocol for automatic signal exchange with upstream or downstream equipment. CE certified, meets European safety and quality standards. Customizable, tailored solutions available for special production needs. Applications: double-sided SMT assembly lines. Inline production systems requiring smooth board transition. Why choose our PCB turnover machine? Increases production efficiency by eliminating manual flipping. Reduces handling errors and component damage. Integrates easily with existing SMT equipment. Backed by CE certification and customization support.